Hi mate, in this video I am trying to show you how to get username and password of B1G Player. First of all, you need to install B1G Player on your Amazon Firestick. In this video I will complete guide you how to install and how to set up B1G Player on your Amazon Firestick. Before starting the video, if you need any IPTV service, you can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First of all, open the Rodo app and put that code in the search bar. 5060514. Wait for the 5 seconds. It takes 5 seconds for verification. After that, B1G page is automatically downloading. Wait for it to download. Before downloading, I want to say you something. If you are looking for an IPTV service, you are on the right place. I will give you the IPTV service at affordable price. My service is 20,000 worldwide live channel, 20,000 movies and 5,000 series. It includes all of the watch movies and series. After download the B1G Pay, install it. After installation, open it. Now you can see the two options, link 1 and link 2. Press on the link 1. After it, you need a username and password. So put your username and password. If you do not have a username and password, then contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.